On an industrial machine, it is often necessary to connect a robot to a higher level supervision software for diagnostic, production monitoring, or remote control. Out of the box, universal robots cobots have communication protocols over Ethernet. UnderAutomation has implemented these protocols in various languages, and examples are provided. For .NET, a 100% managed DLL with no dependencies is on NuGet. For Python, a package is available on PyPI. For LabVIEW, block diagrams are provided, but the library is compatible in many other environments. In all those languages, you'll be able to access features usually reserved for polyscopes, such as collecting real-time data like cobot status, position, variables, inputs, and outputs. You'll be able to send script, remote control the robot, upload and download files, edit installation and URP program files, send Linux SSH commands to the controller, or start your own XML RPC server.